Welcome to Kitchen Karma. In this video I'll show you how to make rice coconut porridge. This is also called as Kaayi Ganji in my hometown. Kaayi means coconut, Ganji means porridge, so together it's called Kaayi Ganji. The ingredients for this recipe are cooked rice, these are 2 cups, water, salt to taste. This is fresh coconut, 1 cup. I have cut into pieces. If you don't have this, you can replace it with coconut milk, which is readily available in shops. So I'm going to grind this coconut with some water. So you can put 2 cups of water. Let us check how the coconut is doing. We need to grind for some more time. Not too smooth, but little more. So this is how it looks. It's not too fine paste or too coarse. It's in between, so this is good enough. So now I have taken a pot. So I'm going to heat up medium heat, like number 5. I'm going to put this rice into this. So let us put ground coconut here. There may be lumps of rice. You can just make it smoother a little bit. So let us put some more water here. So there is something left here, some coconut, so I'll be putting some more water. Rinse it and put it. So I have taken 1 more cup of water. Let us put some salt to taste. So we have to boil this mixture until it gets to some good consistency. I will show. This is, as you can see, it's watery. Both have to mix together, and if it boils well, that happens. This is how it looks when it starts boiling. As you can see, this is the consistency we got, and we will boil for some more time, maybe 5 minutes, then it is ready. So let us check. So porridge is ready. As you can see, this is the consistency we wanted. So it's not watery anymore. They have mixed together. I'm going to turn off the heat and pour this onto a bowl. So porridge is ready. This can be a good breakfast or a filling snack. You can also include this in your lunch or dinner. To prepare this porridge, it takes roughly about 20 minutes. That is the cooking time. So I grew up enjoying this favorite dish of mine, frequently made by my dear mother, and I hope you enjoy tasting this too. Thanks for watching.